This is Rialto Aglow in at the Rialto building in their piazza. So we've got the neon play the music. People are pretending to drum and play guitar, playing on the piano, and that's the joy of this installation, is actually seeing people interact with it. And if you watch people's faces, everyone's just laughing and smiling. It just evokes love, excitement, fun. All you're seeing is people with smiling faces and having a really, really good time. What I love so much about this Rialto building is they have their own light show inside the actual building, which is just completely enhancing the experience. So they've been able to turn the interior of the building into a whole nother activation as well. So that's really, really fun.